Fresh hummus is the perfect item to add to your next dish for a boost of flavor and texture. For the ingredients that are listed below, I am using soaked and clean chickpeas, roasted red bell peppers, these are in a jar, you can also roast your own. Also, I'm using red sliced onions, fresh and organic tahini. Now, this is what the container looks like for the tahini. It's a very smooth and rich textured tahini. I am also using a half of a lemon for fresh squeezed lemon juice. Then we're going to go in with the freshly chopped minced garlic and olive oil. For a boost of flavor, I am adding paprika, sea salt, and cumin powder. Add to your taste and to your liking. So let's get started. In a food processor, combine all of the ingredients and give that a good blend until the consistency reaches your preference. Also, if needed, once everything is in the blender or food processor and you realize that it's pretty thick, if needed, add water, olive oil, and or salt as needed to taste. I personally like to add the infused olive oil that the roasted bell peppers were soaking in. Place in an airtight glass container so it stays fresh for about 3 to 4 days in the refrigerator or frozen for up to 4 months, I believe. Now it's time to work on that classic garlic hummus. For the ingredients, I'll be using a half of a lemon for fresh squeezed lemon juice, fresh chopped garlic, or you can use minced, fresh organic tahini like the one that I showed you before, olive oil or avocado oil. For the seasoning blend, I will be using ground thyme, sea salt, cumin, and smoked paprika. Plus, the main ingredient will be clean and soaked chickpeas. So same as before, we're going to add all of the ingredients right into a food processor or a blender, and you want to go ahead and give that a very good blend until it reaches the consistency you prefer. Like I was telling you all before, just in case it may be too thick as it is blending, go ahead and add water, oil, and or salt as needed to taste and to your preferred liking on how you prefer the consistency of your hummus. We're going to store in an airtight glass container in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 days, or the freezer for up to 4 months, I believe. Serve this savory and healthy protein packed hummus with meal preps, power bowls, salads, wraps, and so much more. It will boost the flavor of every dish. It's so satisfying and delicious and packed with protein. I hope you all enjoyed this hummus recipe video. If so, please give this video a thumbs up, comment any tips or tricks you may have when making a hummus, and or comment what else you would like to see from this channel. Share with your friends and your family. Thank you for watching. I will see you all in the next video.